Pomeranian and Chihuahua. Both are incredibly popular and make fantastic companions. But which one's better? Let's compare both the breeds and find out. Size. Pomeranians might look a bit bigger because of their thick fur, but they're actually pretty compact. They typically stand about 6 to 7 inches tall at the shoulder and weigh between 3 to 7 pounds, making them super light and easy to carry around. Chihuahuas are about 5 to 8 inches tall at the shoulder and weigh in around 2 to 6 pounds, so they're generally a bit lighter than Pomeranians. Personality. Pomeranians are super energetic and love to play. They're also pretty friendly and love being around people. Chihuahuas are a bit different. They can be really loyal and loving, but sometimes they're a bit more reserved, especially with new people. Both the breeds are known for being brave and sometimes think they're bigger than they are. Grooming requirements. Pomeranians have a lot of fur, so they need regular brushing, like a few times a week to keep their coat looking good. They also need baths every now and then. Chihuahuas are easier in this department. They have shorter hair, so a quick brush once a week is usually enough, and they don't need as many baths as Pomeranians. Vocalization. Pomeranians can be pretty vocal. They bark when they're excited or when they see something new. It's cute, but it can be a lot sometimes. Chihuahuas are known for their barking too. They bark to let you know if there's a stranger or if they just want some attention. So if you're okay with a chatty dog, either breed could work, but just know they like to express themselves. Training. When it comes to training, both breeds have their quirks. Pomeranians are pretty smart and can learn tricks and commands, but they can be a bit stubborn, so you need to be patient. Chihuahuas are also smart, but they can be a bit more independent. They might not always listen the first time, so training them can take some extra patience and consistency. Exercise requirements. Both the breeds don't need a ton of exercise, but they still need to stay active. Pomeranians have a lot of energy, so they love short walks and playtime. They're happy with a few short walks a day and some time to run around and play. Chihuahuas need exercise too, but they can get a lot of it just running around the house. They enjoy walks, but they don't need super long ones, just enough to explore and get some fresh air. Health and lifespan. Pomeranians usually live around 12 to 16 years. They're generally healthy, but they can have issues like dental problems or joint issues as they get older. Chihuahuas have a similar lifespan, often living between 14 and 16 years. They're pretty tough for small dogs, but can have health issues like heart problems or dental issues. So regular vet checkups are important for both the breeds. So, which is better, Pomeranian or Chihuahua? It really depends on what you're looking for in a dog. If you want a super energetic, fluffy buddy who loves to play and don't mind a bit of grooming, a Pomeranian could be great. But if you prefer a smaller, brave dog who's a bit more low maintenance in the grooming department, a Chihuahua might be your match. Which dog would it be? Let me know in the comments down below, and do check out these videos. See ya!